Assalamu alaikum and good evening. I am Mariam Bakir and a grade 6 student at Tarbiyah School. It is my immense pleasure and honor to introduce to you Honorable Governor John Carney. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Governor John Carney.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. If I was smart, I would turn around and just say what they said and sit down. I think it was Representative Longhurst who said, actions speak louder than words. And by our actions today, we are speaking loudly and clearly. And we as a group of Delawareans, of cousins, will send a message across our state that we are one people. We are Muslims, we are Jews, we are Christians, we are people of non-believers, we are all Delawareans. All across this state and all across America. And as I look out on this crowd today, my heart is full. It's full of love. It's full of pride. I just feel so good to be your governor. The governor of each and every one of you before me and all the people of our great state. We are showing the people across our country what it means to be an American, what it means to be a Muslim American, what it means to be an Irish American, what it means to be an American. Together, we are one. We are here to stand in solidarity with our Muslim American brothers and sisters and neighbors who bring so much to our state, so much to our state, to throw our arms around you, to hope the best for these children in front of you, to show by our actions, not just our words, that we are one people here in the great state of Delaware. It was several weeks ago, after the Muslim ban on travel that was announced at the national level, that we had a rally in the mosque in Ogletown. And we had religious leaders, we had pastors and imams and rabbis who came up like they did today and spoke. And they asked me to speak at the end, much like today. And my heart was just so full of love and pride to be the governor of this state and to see our people, my people, in front of me, showing such love and solidarity. I want to thank everybody, every single person in this crowd who has come out today to show solidarity for our Muslim American brothers and sisters, our fellow Delawareans. You know, our former governor, Jack Markell, used to like to say that Delaware is a state of neighbors. And it's so true. We're small, we know everybody. Neighbors look after one another. And that's why we're here today, to look after our neighbors, to embrace our neighbors, to show our neighbors that we stand with you together. And we will stand in front of hate and fear, and we will be with you when you need us. Thank you, and God bless you.